crazy. You're crazy. Ah! Kenzie? Hello? Ah! Ah! Oh. Can you put the hat on? You're a true lady. Hello? There you are. You look good with the hat on. Daddy's hat, that's right. Hello? There you are. You were hiding. Yeah, you were. Yeah. You like wearing Daddy's hat? You gonna put it back on Daddy's head? Can you put it back on Daddy's head? You need to stand up here. Now can you put it on? Ta-da! You did it! You get it again? It's me. What? Use your words. What are you trying to say? Your show is quiet? You want your show back on? You want to wear the hat? Oh yeah, that looks nice. Mm-hmm. Ooh, surfing.